Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you how to make steamed pork roll. You will need, this is 1 pound of pork loin. We cut it into small pieces like this, and after that you're gonna make sure that you take out all the fat. And we use this KitchenAid to grind our meat, and this is our meat look like when we grind it. Okay, here's our meat after we grind it. In this bowl we're gonna mix all the ingredients. There are 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or tapioca starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, half teaspoon of ground white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And you're gonna put your seasoning and your pork in this mixer and mix everything together. And we're gonna put this one in a bowl and put in the freezer for 2 hours. 2 hours later we remove the meat from the freezer. This is what it looks like. And then we're gonna place in the mixer, mix it 1 minute, about 1 minute. Place it in the mixers and mix it for 1 minute. You're gonna mix 3-4 teaspoons of baking soda. I put it in this bowl. And then you're gonna put 6 tablespoons of cold ice water mixed with this one. This is ice cold water, so we're gonna put 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and mix everything together. Make sure your baking soda dissolve in the water. You're gonna put your mixture, water and baking soda, in the mixer a little bit at a time, and then you mix it. Mix it for about 2 minutes. You remove everything and stir it on the bottom, and you mix it again for another 2 minutes. You're gonna divide your meat into 2 loaves, and then use the plastic food wrap. Put a little bit of cooking oil. You fold it and you roll it. Make sure you squeeze this one in this shape, and you bounce it. Make sure all the meat combine well together. Now we're done with this one. We set it aside. We're gonna grab the aluminum foil, and we use about this much. put a little bit of oil. Make sure the meat is not stick. You're gonna place the meat on here, and you fold it. And you're gonna wrap with the plastic food wrap, 2 layers on this one, because whenever you steam it, the meat gonna be expanded a little bit because of the baking soda. But by placing the plastic wrap, it's not gonna be make this thing loose. This is 1 layer, and then we're gonna put 1 more layer, and this is the 2nd layer. Bring water to boil and steam it on high heat for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, our steamed pork roll is done. We're gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down in our steam pot for another 20 minutes. Do not open the pot. Okay, this is what it looks like. And we're gonna cut it. Okay, here is our pork rolls. I cut into slices. Hope you guys try this at home. And if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and the notification bell to get notified every time we upload new video. Thank you.